In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator in Surveymonkey, allowing someone else to help design, collect, or analyze your survey. This functionality is particularly useful if you're working as part of a team and need to harness the collective expertise of your colleagues. However, it's important to note that this feature is available only if you're on a Team Advantage, Team Premier, or Enterprise plan, so ensure your subscription supports this before proceeding. To start, navigate to your Surveymonkey account and head over to the My Surveys page. Here, you're greeted with a list of all the surveys you've created or are involved with. Browse through this list and locate the survey for which you wish to add a collaborator. Once you've found the survey, look for the Share icon, which will open up your sharing options. Click this icon to proceed. You'll now be presented with several settings. If your account allows, you'll see an option that reads, "Allow people on your team to share this survey with other people." This setting is crucial because it not only lets you share the survey with your immediate collaborators, but also gives them the permission to extend this access to others within your organization. If collaboration is a cornerstone of your project's success, enabling this option ensures smoother communication and teamwork. Next, you'll need to decide who exactly you want to invite as collaborators on your survey. Surveymonkey allows you to add collaborators either individually by name or collectively by work groups, depending on how your organization has structured its teams. If you have a specific team in mind, just enter their names or the name of the work group to invite them into the fold. After determining who should be involved, it's time to think about the permissions each of these individuals or groups should have. Surveymonkey separates permissions into three main categories: design, collect responses, and analyze results. Carefully consider who needs access to which part of the survey process. For instance, someone who's great at crafting questions should have design permissions, whereas a data analyst might only require access to analyze results. Once you've set all the necessary permissions and are satisfied with your selections, it's time to hit the Share button. Upon doing so, invited users will receive an email notification informing them of their new access. They can easily find the survey by navigating to My Surveys and selecting the Shared with You tab. And that's it. You've successfully added collaborators to your Surveymonkey project. This straightforward process opens doors to seamless cooperation and richer insights, all by tapping into the diverse skill sets of your team. Thank you for watching, and here's to making every survey a collaborative success.